Select a nice stem without flowers from the new growth of your geranium. With a hand pruner, snip a 4-inch portion above a starting bud, between the main stem and the side shoot. Remove all leaves except for the topmost 3 or 4. Soak your root in water for a few minutes. Fill your nursery pot with special cutting soil mix or a blend of soil mix and sand, and then sink the piece of wood in the center to prepare a hole for the cutting. Ideally, you'll have a pouch of rooting hormone at hand to dip your cutting in to enhance rootlet growth. Tap lightly to remove excess product. Delicately introduce the lower half of your cutting in the hole in the pot and press down to cover with soil mix. Mist often so that the soil mix stays a bit moist but not soggy, because the pot will be placed in part shade with a high luminosity but not direct sun. In fall, bring your cutting somewhere that protects it from the freezing, such as an unheated greenhouse, a garage or a garden shed. Transplant your cutting in the following spring.